Alright, so I'm out here at the local drift and drag event, and Keith from Motorsports, he's the dude who's been helping me with my drift cars and things like that. He's actually brought out his RB30 because he's known I've never driven like an inline 6 turbo before. So he brought his car out and he's gonna take me for a ride, but I've really never asked him what is all done to it, so I'm gonna steal him real quick and then ask him what's actually done with it. So I think he's making over 600 horsepower, but I've always seen this thing at the shop, but you've never really actually told me what you've done to it. I know it's like a secret weapon, but
it's not a secret weapon. It's an RB30 bottom end, stock crank, manly turbo tough rods, and CB pistons. We did a custom 10.5 to 1 compression ratio, so we couldn't really get a shelf piston.
Nice.
The head is a stock RB25 head. Nothing's done to it at all. But we have full race turbo manifold, and we have a BorgWarner 9174 turbo.
Let's see it.
It does really well.
And you just finished this, what, how long ago?
A couple months.
And it's been like, already done like, what, 1 or 2 sessions on it?
Yeah, not many. We broke axles and then we had to do a transmission. So now we have a PPG dock box in the car.
So RB30, BorgWarner turbo.
Stock crank.
Stock crank.
Manly turbo tough rods. And then CP pistons.
Sweet. What injectors?
We have ID 1000s.
Woo!
We have a
How does the power come on this thing?
instant. It's crazy. The EFR turbo is such a good turbo for response, and that mixed with the high compression, it was my anti V8.
So should I be scared going to inline 6 or what?
No, not at all.
God dang it!
I love it.
Oh, this is that Vert Life.
Vert Life.
See, I'm so used to this because it's like driving in the E30.
Just got yelled at for doing donuts.
I don't know if I fit very well. Hey, hit me with the dab. Hit me. Oh! Wham! He just hit us with the sickest dab. Crazy how fast the power comes on. Like, I was expecting a lot more lag than that and not as responsive.
No, it's pretty violent. If you build it right, it'll work.
Jesus Christ. Alright guys, so we're at the Go Fast Entertainment Drag and Drift here at Wild Horse Motorsports Park. This is our typical drag and drift event that we do every single month here. The dudes at Go Fast Entertainment put us on. They usually get about 100 plus cars, as well as probably 50 to 100 drag cars, but it's nuts. Arizona literally has one of the best drift communities, but I think it's probably the most underrated. But we got a bunch of gnarly cars, gnarly drivers, and I just say we show you.
Right.
Are you gonna rip a little burnout?
Yeah, why not?
through the cloud of smoke. You're in there somewhere.
Just the stock fucking 4.5.
Fucking let her rip, Tater Chip. All right, dog, you gonna lay me down a burnout? Can you do a burnout? Dab on him! Andrew, hit him with a dab. Bang! Seriously, Arizona has one of the best drift scenes, just people don't realize it yet. You got drift car, drift car, drift car, drift truck. That thing's fucking sweet. Dude, this thing's fucking awesome. Holy shit. Look at this thing. I hope this dude fucking lays it down. Would this thing rip a big old burnout?
You know what? It's a four-wheel drive.
Oh, so you're
going to burn out with these big tires.
Yes! What a beast. Let's see what this dude does. Chase truck. That dude's out there chase trucking super hard right now. There's my helmet. So along with the drift events out here at Phoenix, they typically run a run what you brung drag racing event where it's basically you can bring any car out and drag race it. And literally we have this Mitsubishi running up the line right now. VTEC. And then you also get cars like this. Alright, so what we also do out here, sometimes, it doesn't happen all the time, but we do Demolition Derby Drag Racing, which the rule is 2 cars will start off like a typical drag race, but they have to make contact once before the finish line. So the drivers will take off once the light goes green, they'll have to crash into each other, and then the first one to the finish line wins. Now, that means you can do pit maneuvers, you can spin them out, you can brake check them, you can do whatever you gotta do to make it to that finish line. So we have, I think, 6 cars here tonight to do the Demolition and Drag Racing, and the winner gets 500 bucks, which is probably more than most of these cars out here. Let's catch up with one of the drivers. What year is she?
1990 something.
1997?
7. We'll go 7.
7's a good year. Yeah. 1997.
That's the year I was born, so.
Yeah, so the strategy of picking a good Demolition Derby car is pick the year that you were born.
Yeah, because it's a pointless year anyway, so.
Well, one of the greatest cars was ever created was in 97. We're looking at it right now.
I know.
Look at this thing. How many events have you had on her?
1.
How did she look on the first event?
Crash fender.
There's a smash fender, everything else brand new. Yep. So this is one event right here.
Had AC, a radio, a radiator.
So sizing up your competition, okay? Which car do you have your eyes on?
That truck.
Let's go look at that truck real quick. So you're gonna go out here in the 1997 Volvo Monster Machine, and you have some competition here. You got the Mohawk Neon. You got, what else? You got twin pipes out the hood. You got the Orange Dream Machine.
Orange creamsicle.
Look at this thing. So this is gonna be your target right here?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna hit it?
I'm just gonna go right underneath it. Like Fast and Furious under the semi.
What's the chance of you turning into a human ramp?
Pretty 95% chance. It's gonna
Oh, we got a driver's meeting? You guys have driver's meetings in demo derbies?
Rules pretty simple. You guys will line up on the Christmas tree, just like if you're drag racing. Pull up, pre-stage stage. Tree will come down, take off. First one at the finish line, the 8-mile wins, but you have to make contact with the other car. So, 4 of you have been here before, 2 have.
All right, so it looks like we got the former patrol car. We have Grandpa's old pickup truck. We have somebody's that's been doing this for a long time. This is a STOP orange sickle. And then you have the semi truck, number 129. Look at these things. And then you have Grandpappy's Neon here, Mohawk, Thrasher.
There'll be a bye second round.
And then you have the limited edition 1997 Volvo sedan. Now, look at this. If your door locks don't work, throw this bad boy on there. I wonder how his race went. So I'm here with Keith. He runs all the Go Fast Drift events. He's actually going to take us on a ride on the golf cart, and we're going to pace the Demolition Derby cars down the drag strip to show you guys what type of maniacs these guys are. It's kind of like a winner stays, loser goes. All right, so for the first race, we got the Volvo that's already steaming versus the Dodge Neon. There's the reigning champion in the flesh going against the Mohawk Thrasher. So you stage up. We already got steam coming out the hood of the Volvo. Oh God. Windshield wipers going. I wonder if that's a strategy. And green, here we go. Oh! Oh, we got a brake track. Strategy. All right, so the Neon was able to make it to the finish line first. The Volvo's bumper's not looking so good right now, but we have, it looks like a professional Demolition Derby car going against the cop car. Here we go. All right, we got run 2. You got to start and finish in the same lane. We got to make contact and get back to that same lane. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh, they're playing games now. Just a little wound. Listen how sticky the surface is. All right, Keith, what are we doing now?
So now we're gonna take all 6 cars and run them side by side at the same time. The winner gets $100.
So we're gonna fit 6 cars down the drag strip. Everybody has to at least make contact once. Winner gets $100. Oh boy. We have 2 in each lane, and then we have the truck. We have the 2 winners sandbagging. So we have the Volvo, the Neon, the orange creamsicle, the stop cop car, and then we have the winners in the back. Oh, we got a 69 hand signal from the Volvo. Oh boy, here we go. They're all staged, kind of. And we got a race, boys! Trying to race in reverse, but the Volvo's window is spray painted in the back, so I think Chuck's gonna fix it real quick. Let's see what trick Chuck does to fix it. Oh! There we go, see? Have you done this before, Chuck?
Never.
Yes!
Got a visor, you better
Good to go.
Yep.
Boom.
Look at that. Fixed it. All right, hey. So we fixed your glass.
A wise man once said, just gonna send it.
Yep.
Just gonna send
So
it.
you should be fine. Make sure you get your visor down, okay?
Did you guys break the glass?
No, we didn't. We scraped it off.
You didn't break it?
No, we scraped it off. Hey, so come check out your glass. So it took about 15 minutes to scrape it off,
Okay.
but I think you have an advantage over everybody else because it is crystal clear. What do you think?
You know, we should have got like one of those Sham Wow commercials.
And just polished it up enough. Well, we were thinking about, I have a ShamWow on the rig, but this was just a good set of Windex. So strategy is helmet, visor down.
Helmet, drop glass, pop tires, win race.
Yep. Hey, and crash this thing, would ya?
Okay, I'll try.
All right, thank you. All right, here we go. Number 2. And they're staged up. Round 2. Yeah! The passenger airbag. All right, well. So the airbag finally went off. Champ, what happened?
You know what? I was like, I gotta let someone else win. You know?
Yeah.
Sharing's caring.
Yep. How'd the Volvo hang out there?
She did pretty good.
Yep.
Yeah, Big Bertha did what she had to do, and
Any more damage on her?
not really. I mean, nothing I can't pull out.
Nothing you can't fix. That's a good point.
Little hammer, one of those rubber mallets.
She'll be straight as an arrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching what we do in Arizona on a Go Fast Entertainment Drift and Drag Demolition Derby fun event. These are things that we are a part of, myself and a couple other drivers in the Arizona community. This is just a great place to come out, have fun, experience all different types of driving, and you also kind of get to do crazy fun things like this. But it's one of those things, if you haven't been out to one of these events, I'd really suggest you coming out because it is super cool, it's fun, and you get to drive with your friends, and at the end of the day, it's everybody has a big party and they hang out. But this is just one of those other events that we do monthly here in Arizona. But thanks again, guys, and I'll probably see you tomorrow. Later.